Every day, this massive manufacturing facility produces tens of thousands of Crocs clogs at one of the world's largest footwear production plants. Throughout the day, high-quality EVA polymer EVA pellets, specialty additives, pigments, and packaging supplies required for large-scale Crocs production. Each shipment is carefully unloaded, identified, scanned, and transferred into automated storage systems before entering production. Before manufacturing begins, every batch of raw material undergoes strict laboratory testing to ensure consistency, flexibility, durability, and safety. Once approved, the materials are automatically transferred into climate-controlled storage silos, where they remain clean and ready for production. Every Crocs clog begins with an exact manufacturing formula. Automated systems measure every ingredient with remarkable precision to maintain identical quality. The ingredients are thoroughly mixed under carefully controlled temperature and pressure, creating the lightweight Croslite material that gives Crocs their famous comfort. The blended material now enters powerful industrial extruders, where heat and pressure transform the mixture into a perfectly uniform molding compound. After extrusion, the material is cooled and cut into perfectly sized production pellets, ready for precision molding.
The prepared Croslite pellets are now loaded into advanced injection molding machines. Precision steel molds are installed, marking the beginning of the transformation into the iconic Crocs Bayaband clog. The prepared Croslite pellets enter the heated injection molding machine. Under carefully controlled temperature and pressure, the rotating screw melts the material for molding.
Powerful hydraulic pressure injects the molten Croslite light into precision-engineered steel molds, accurately reproducing every detail of the Bayaband. High-pressure molding ensures the material reaches every corner of the mold, forming the clog's unique lightweight structure with exceptional precision. Inside the closed mold, carefully controlled cooling stabilizes the material, allowing the clog to harden while maintaining its precise dimensions. Once cooling is complete, the mold automatically opens to reveal a perfectly formed Crocs Bayaband clog, fresh from the molding process. Automated robotic systems remove each clog with precision, allowing production to continue continuously without interrupting the molding cycle.
Any tiny excess material left during molding is precisely trimmed away, producing clean edges and the smooth finish expected from every Crocs clog. Every ventilation hole and surface is carefully inspected. This ensures perfect appearance, consistent quality, and maximum comfort.
While the clog body is completed, matching heel straps are manufactured separately and fitted with their signature pivot buttons.
The heel strap is securely attached and tested for smooth rotation, completing the iconic Crocs Bayaband clog before it moves to final quality inspection and packaging.
Every completed clog undergoes multiple quality inspections. Automated vision systems and skilled technicians ensure each pair meets Crocs' strict standards for comfort.
Sample clogs are subjected to demanding flexibility and durability tests that simulate years of daily use, ensuring lasting comfort and reliable performance.
Advanced automation accurately matches every left and right clog by size and production batch before packaging begins.
Before packaging, every pair is cleaned, polished, and labeled to ensure customers receive a flawless product.
Automated packaging systems quickly place every pair into its retail box, while tracking systems record each product for complete traceability. Retail boxes are grouped into export cartons before robotic palletizing systems prepare them for worldwide distribution. Finished products enter a fully automated warehouse, where intelligent inventory systems organize thousands of pallets for. After final verification, thousands of packaged Crocs leave the factory every day, beginning their journey to customers around the world. From the factory, every shipment moves through distribution centers before reaching retail stores across global markets. From raw EVA material to a finished Crocs Bayaband clog, every manufacturing stage combines precision engineering control to deliver the lightweight comfort recognized around the world.